Hey there, you're welcome to Scodemy. My name is Philemon. This video offers an explanation to one question that was asked in the previous video on interpreting p-values. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this page for more subsequent and educative content on data analytics. Alright, so the question was, when the p-value is equal to the alpha predetermined error, is this significant? Okay, so the simple answer to this is yes. The simple answer to this is yes. We have already established the alpha value that has been accepted generally is 0.05. Okay, is 0.05. So if you have a p-value that is less than or greater than your alpha value, so in this case your alpha value is the same as your predetermined error, then we reject the null hypothesis. Okay, in the same vein, if your p-value is greater than the alpha predetermined error, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So in the first instance, where p is less than or equal to the alpha predetermined value, when we reject the null hypothesis, the implication is that your evidence is significant. In the second instance, when your p-value is greater than your alpha value or your predetermined error, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, and in this case it is not significant. Okay, so if we have established this, in a situation where your p is equal to your alpha value, same vein, we reject the null hypothesis. Okay, same vein, we reject the null hypothesis. So let's say your alpha predetermined error, so predetermined error is whatever you've already established. Okay, and the alpha generally accepted alpha value is 0.05. so let's say we have our alpha predetermined error to be 0.05, which is 5%. Then you run your analysis and your p is equal to 0.05. So in this case your p would be equal to 0.05, and we already have an alpha predetermined error of 0.05. You reject the null hypothesis, so it means that your p is equal to your alpha. In this case you reject the null hypothesis, and statistically this is significant. But there is a caution here. When your p-value is exactly equal to your alpha predetermined error, in as much as it is significant, it is not strong. So your evidence is not as strong as a p-value that is actually less than your alpha predetermined value. So it is statistically significant, but it is marginal. It is moderate. It is not as strong as a value that, let's say, it is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, or any value that is less than 0.05. Okay, so when you set your alpha value and you run your analysis and you are getting same as your p-value, it is significant, but its significance level is not strong. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.